Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure OpenVPN client on Windows for secure access, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure the OpenVPN client on Windows, start by downloading the OpenVPN installer from the official website. Once the download is complete, double-click the installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the OpenVPN client on your system. During the installation, make sure to select the option to install the TAP driver, as it is essential for the functionality of OpenVPN. After the installation is complete, you will need to download the configuration files for the server you intend to connect to. This usually involves obtaining a zip file containing .open files and possibly certificates and keys. Once you have the configuration files, extract them to a folder on your computer. Next, navigate to the OpenVPN installation directory, typically found in the C:\program files /OpenVPN/config. Copy the extracted .open files and any additional files you need into the config folder. Now, open the OpenVPN GUI by searching for it in the Start menu and running it as an administrator. Once the GUI is open, look for the OpenVPN icon in the system tray. Right-click on the OpenVPN icon to see the list of available configurations. Hover over the configuration you wish to connect to, and select Connect. You may be prompted to enter your username and password, depending on the server configuration. After entering your credentials, the client will attempt to establish a secure connection. Once connected, the OpenVPN icon will turn green, indicating a successful connection. To verify your connection, you can check your IP address using an online service to see if it reflects the VPN's IP instead of your local one. When you're finished, right-click the OpenVPN icon in the system tray and select Disconnect to end your session. With these steps, you have successfully configured and connected the OpenVPN client on Windows for secure access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.